people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're joining us in this channel for the very first time, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to use egg and fresh aloe vera, to get a flawless and toned skin. Like seriously, this treatment is gonna be the bomb. When you try it, you are gonna be loving your results. Okay, so if you want to know what comprises of my remedy, okay, please do continue watching and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, and turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, do that on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right into this video. The very first ingredient we're gonna be needing is aloe vera. Alright, so here I have very long aloe vera here because I have aloe vera farm, okay, in my house. Alright, so I farm the aloe vera myself and I vest it myself anytime I want to use it on my skin. Okay, aloe vera is very great for the skin. Aloe vera is vast. It helps for the hair, it helps for the body because you can also consume it, and it also helps so much in glowing up the skin. It contains an antioxidant that helps to polish up the skin, leaving your skin youthful and radiant. Aloe vera is great for wrinkles, it's great for pigmentations. Aloe vera is the best in toning up your skin and leaving your skin looking radiant. Alright, so that's it. The very next ingredient we're going to be needing will be egg. Alright, so in this part of the country we usually have brown egg, okay, because we have very healthy egg. Alright, egg is great in tightening up the skin, removing pigments, removing age-related problems, and it also helps to close up a large and open pores. Okay, using egg on the skin would evenly leave your skin youthful and radiant. Alright, and it also helps to remove fine lines. Okay, so the very next ingredient we're going to be needing will be rice powder. Now you can actually make your own rice powder in the comfort of your home. You take some rice grain. Alright, rice is an ancient beauty agent that helps to polish up the skin, removing pigments, and it also contains a lightening property that helps to lighten up the skin, and it would also help to glow the skin, removing fine lines and wrinkles. And it's also great for age-related problems such as white dots and black dots, and also fine lines and double chin. Okay, and the last ingredient, which is very important for this treatment, would be vitamin E capsule. You can also use vitamin E oil, or if you don't have, you use coconut oil. Okay, is also preferably for this. Okay, vitamin E capsule is loaded with anti-wrinkle and anti-fine lines agents that helps to leave your skin looking smooth and radiant. Vitamin E capsule helps to remove bad oil on the skin, replacing your skin with a very good oil, therefore leaving your skin looking younger and radiant. Using vitamin E capsule on the skin would glow up and polish up your skin. Okay, so we're gonna go prepare all our ingredients together. Alright, now we're gonna be needing a bowl to do that, and then we're gonna be taking 1 tablespoon of rice powder. Okay, you can also use the boiled rice if you want. Alright, and now to put in our egg, we're gonna cut open the egg. Okay, and then we're just gonna be needing the egg whites. Okay, so this quantity is okay, and I'm gonna be turning that into it, and I have a bunch of them here. This is it. this is okay for the treatment. Now the vitamin E capsule, I'll be punching or cutting open, and then I'll press the content into the treatment. Okay, and then I would have to prepare the aloe vera, which is very important, and I'm going to be cutting just a little. We need just a little of the aloe vera. And to prepare this aloe vera, I actually love to, cut the side off and then open this up, just like what you see me do right now. Alright, now to get all the benefits of this aloe vera, I would love to scrape it. I actually love scraping my aloe vera this way. It's actually very easy for me to do that. Okay, otherwise I would just remove all the gel, blend it, and then pour it in it. When you blend aloe vera, it actually cut off all the excessive sliminess. That way it's gonna be much more better, okay, and easier. Okay, now I would have to stir this. Now remember, we have two slime ingredients, which is the egg white and the aloe vera, so we have to beat this a whole lot so that all the ingredients would evenly mix and give us a fine paste. Okay, so I would have to really beat this a whole lot. If it was much, maybe I would have just gone to blend it so it will be easier, but I can't blend this one because it's actually very small. Alright, so I will beat it a whole lot. Alright, I think this is actually okay, and this is gonna be really great on the face. Oh my god, it's gonna be so smooth. Alright, so how you're gonna apply this is that you're just gonna take this treatment and then you're just going to generously apply this onto your face. Okay, and as you apply it, you have to slightly massage it and scrub it. Okay, you scrub all the dead skin cells off your face. Okay, so you apply it generously onto your face and you scrub it. Okay, now as you scrub it, you're gonna be noticing some particles in it. That is actually really great. It's okay. It's gonna help scrub out all the dead skin cells on your face. Alright, so after which you've scrubbed this, you have to leave this for like some minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes on your face if you can, and then it's just going to be a little bit dry. Okay, the process of drying is just going to help to smooth out your skin, glow your skin a whole freaking lot, like so much. This treatment is the bomb on your face. Okay, and it's also going to help to polish your skin. Okay, so you scrub it again when it's a little dry, but if it's too dry, don't scrub it so you will not bruise your skin, because this is gonna be dry on the skin because of the rice. Okay, after that you just go wash this off with a normal water and a toilet soap. Okay, so for this treatment you can't actually store it, you have to dispose it. So invariably you have to make just a little so you can dispose it immediately you're done using it. Okay, alright, so you have to use this treatment like 2 times in a week, and then you are good to go. Your skin is just going to be so super super glowing and beautiful. Alright, and for natural ingredient like this, you have to be consistent, okay? Give it time. And so guys, basically that's it. It is actually very friendly, very mild, and consistency is the key to natural ingredients. Alright, so you have to be consistent and you have to give it time to work out for your skin. Alright, because it will definitely work out. So if you did love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video. Turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, please do that on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay flawless. Bye guys.